Do you have a pigeon problem? When it comes to getting rid of birds, we have a few tricks up our sleeve. And we're always finding new ways to keep them away. Did you know that pigeons can carry diseases like West Nile virus and Salmonella? They can also cause extensive damage to your property. So if you're having a pigeon problem, don't wait any longer. We practice humane bird removal. We trap and then relocate birds away from your property. This allows us to ensure that the birds are treated with respect and given a chance at a better life. And we always strive to do our part in keeping the local bird population safe and healthy. Our next step is damage remediation. We'll assess the damage caused by the birds, repair any necessary areas and make sure nothing will attract them back. Finally, we specialize in bird deterrent products. Our goal is to use humane methods to make sure birds never come back. From netting and gels to spikes and bird slides, we're here to help. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive bird control services. We look forward to hearing from you.